Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Peshawar Model School Boys 3 for On and English class. Today we will read Unit 16 on page 81. So this is the book of your class 6. The name of the unit is Ali Baba and 40 Thieves. You might have heard this story from your elders or you might have read this earlier. So name of the story is Ali Baba and 40 Thieves. Now you can see the picture on your book, Ali Baba and 40 Thieves. This is the man, the leader of the gang, and he's standing in front of the cave, and rest of the thieves are there. And Ali Baba, he had hid himself in a tree. So Ali Baba was a woodcutter. So one day he saw a man leading 40 thieves, and he stood in front of the cave, and inside the cave he found treasure there. So he became rich. You can see now the picture of Ali Baba, and you can see the hidden treasure which he had found at that time. Now this is the text. Para 1. Ali Baba was a poor woodcutter. One day in the forest he heard the sound of the many horses. He hid up a tree when he saw 40 thieves stopped in front of the cave. As everything is clear in this para that Ali Baba was cutting woods in the forest in the jungle, suddenly he heard the tapping sound of the horses. So he climbed up the tree and he hid himself over there. The leader said, "Open sesame." The sealed mouth of the cave magically opened and the thieves disappeared inside. When they came out again, the leader said, "Close sesame." The cave sealed itself once more. Now, the leader of that gang, the 40 thieves were there, and the leader of that gang, he said some magical words, "Open sesame," जिसको उर्दू में आप बोलते हैं खुल जा सिम सिम. तो सील्ड माउथ ऑफ द केव वॉज ओपन. जो उस केव का, उस गार का जो मुंह बंद था, वो क्या हुआ, मैजिकली ओपन हो गया. एंड दे ऑल द थीव्स दे डिसअपीयर्ड इनसाइड, दे वैनिश्ड इनसाइड दैट केव. And when they came out, the leader again said the magical words. He said, "Close sesame," and the cave sealed itself one more. एक दफ़ा फिर जब उसने मैजिकल वर्ड्स बोले तो क्या हुआ कि उस केव के आगे फिर दोबारा से पत्थर आ गया और उसका जो है वो डोर क्लोज हो गया. Trembling with excitement, Ali Baba entered the cave after saying the magic words. He saw and found lots of treasure, including gold and jewels. Trembling with excitement. Trembling means shivering, shaking. With excitement. Excitement means happiness. Now Ali Baba was trembling with excitement. वो खुशी से लरज़ रहा था. Ali Baba entered the cave saying the magical words as he heard those magical words from the leader of that gang. So he used those words and the mouth of the cave opened. So he found a lot of treasure inside the cave, including gold and jewels and coins, and everything was there. As you can see, he is saying magical words there, and then he found the treasure inside the cave. Ali Baba's brother Qasim followed him to the cave. He saw Ali Baba in and out of the cave. When Ali Baba had left, Qasim entered the cave to get some treasure for himself too. Now, Ali Baba had a brother. His name was Qasim. So one day he followed Ali Baba and he found that he went inside the cave and then he came out from the cave. So he saw all these things, then he used those magical words and he entered the cave. This is a picture of Qasim. He's a greedy man. You can see the greed on his face. Now, Qasim had entered that cave, but sadly means dismally, gloomily, he forgot the words to leave the cave. Suddenly, the thieves came and killed him. Qasim was a greedy man. When he entered the cave, he was collecting the treasure from the cave, but he forgot the words. He forgot the words that how to leave that cave. When he forgot the words, suddenly the thieves came there and they killed him. When they found another man in the cave, so they killed that man on the spot. Later, Ali Baba discovered his brother's body in the cave. He brought the dead body back home to be buried. Realizing that someone else known about their cave, the thieves tracked Ali Baba down. Now, later on, Ali Baba discovered the dead body of his brother inside the cave. So what he did, he brought the body for the funeral and they buried the body of Qasim. Realizing that someone else known about their cave. Who realized that? Definitely the thieves. The gang and the leader of the gang, they realized, they felt that someone else known about their treasure and about their cave. So what they did, they tracked Ali Baba. They chased Ali Baba. The leader, dressed as an oil merchant, stayed with Ali Baba in his house. He had 40 donkeys with huge jars. Only one had oil, and the other jars contained the other thieves. Now, the leader of that gang, we know that he was the leader of the thieves, the leader of the robbers. But what he did, he disguised himself as an oil merchant. उसने अपने आप को एक ताजिर शो किया, ऑयल मर्चेंट शो किया. और वो कहाँ पे ठहरा? He stayed with Ali Baba in his house. वो उसके घर पे ठहरा. And what he did, he had 40 jars, big jars. He had 40 jars. In one jar there was the oil, but rest of them were, the thieves were hidden in those jars. That night, the clever servant girl, Margina, knew who the oil merchant really was. She poured the boiling oil into the jars, killing the other thieves. Later, she killed the leader with a knife. Now, Ali Baba had a maid, a servant. Her name was Margina. As you can see the name of Margina, capital M. It is a proper noun, so the first letter is capital here. So she came to know about all the reality of that merchant. So what she did, she poured the boiling oil into the jars. उसने boiling oil जो है, as you can see this picture, she poured it, she flowed it into the jars. Boiling oil जब उसने उन thieves के ऊपर डाला, जो 39 jars थे, तो what happened? All of them were killed on the spot. And later on, she killed the leader as well with a knife. और बाद में जो leader था उस गैंग का, जो कैप्टन था, उसको भी मर्जीना ने मार दिया with a knife. Now, Ali Baba thanked her for saving the family. He said, "You are free now." They lived happily ever after. Now, Ali Baba thanked Margina for saving his family. As you know, boys, in ancient times, the rich were having slaves. जो स्लेव्स उनके होते थे, जो उनके ग़ुलाम होते थे, उनको उन्होंने ख़रीदा हुआ होता था. वो पैसे दे के अपने लिए ग़ुलाम ख़रीदा करते थे. तो मर्जीना जो थी, शी वॉज स्लेव ऑफ अली बाबा. तो अली बाबा ने इन रिटर्न क्या किया कि उसको फ्री कर दिया, उसको आज़ाद कर दिया. एंड दे लिव्ड हैप्पीली एवर आफ्टर. उसके बाद वो सब हंसी खुशी रहने लगे. दिस वॉज द स्टोरी एंड इट वॉज वेरी रियली इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी. नाउ कमिंग टू द डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स. These are the words meanings. Woodcutter, a person who cuts wood. Forest, woods, jungle. Hid, concealed. Cave, hollow. Sealed, secured. Trembling, shaking. Treasure, precious metal. Including, adding. Followed, chased. Sadly, dismally. Thieves, robbers. Discovered, came across, found. Buried, planted or hidden. Realizing, noticing, feeling. Tracked, followed. Leader, captain. Dresses, disguised. Merchant, trader. Huge, big. Jars, jugs, pitchers. Contained, carried. Clever, sharp. Servant, maid. Poured, flowed. Thanked, praised. Saving, rescuing. Ever after, always. Fishmonger, a person or shop that sells fish or food. Okay, now you are going to prepare the title page on your neat notebook as we do in our classes. You are going to write unit number here on the top, then the page number, then the name of the unit, Ali Baba and 40 Thieves, then comprehension passage, words meanings, word sentences and book exercise. This picture is optional. You can draw any other picture. हम लोग टाइटल पेज पे पिक्चर ड्रॉ करते हैं ना, सो यू कैन ड्रॉ एनी अदर पिक्चर. लाइक यू कैन ड्रॉ द पिक्चर ऑफ द केव, और यू कैन ड्रॉ द पिक्चर ऑफ अ ट्री, यू कैन ड्रॉ द पिक्चर ऑफ अ जार. जो पिक्चर आपको आसान लगती है आप उसको ड्रॉ करके इसको कलर करें टू मेक इट ब्यूटीफुल. नाउ दिस इज़ योर टुडेज होमवर्क. प्रिपेयर द टाइटल पेज ऑफ यूनिट 16 इन नीट नोटबुक्स. आपने अपनी नीट नोटबुक्स में अपना होमवर्क का पेज प्रिपेयर करना है, ये टाइटल पेज प्रिपेयर करना है. जैसे हम न्यू यूनिट पढ़ते हैं तो वी डू इन आवर क्लासेस, हम उसका टाइटल पेज प्रिपेयर करते हैं. देन योर रिटन वर्क इज आफ्टर प्रिपेयरिंग द टाइटल पेज यू आर गोइंग टू राइट एनी पैराग्राफ फ्रॉम द यूनिट 16 नीटली इन योर नोटबुक्स. उसको एक्सट्रीमली नीटली आपने करना है. देन डू रीडिंग ऑफ यूनिट 16. सो यू आर गोइंग टू रीड यूनिट 16 अगेन एंड अगेन to make yourself clear about the unit. Then we'll do the exercises in our next class. And if you have any question, boys, so you can ask in another lecture. Okay, till then, Allah Hafiz, take good care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.